Hi, my name is Pratibha and today I am going to talk about one-word substitution. So, one-word substitution is a process in which people use one word to replace a wordy phrase. Or you can simply say when a word replaces a group of words or a sentence, then we call it as one-word substitution. Now the question is, why do we use one-word substitution in our language? Or what is the importance of one-word substitution? Well, by using one-word substitution, our sentence structure becomes more clear. This also makes work more succinct instead of convoluted. And so on, if we use one-word substitution correctly, then our language and conversation will become not only meaningful but also impressive. So now I'll be telling you some interesting examples of one-word substitution. So the first one is pauper. Pauper means a poverty-stricken person. Now the second word is cantankerous. So cantankerous means a person who is bad-tempered. Now the third word is ecologist. So an ecologist is an expert or a student who studies ecology. So an ecologist studies the interrelationship between organisms and their environment. Now the fourth word is octogenarian. So octogenarian means someone who's around 80 years old. Now the fifth word is teetotaler. So it means a person who never drinks alcohol. Now the sixth word is meander. So meander means to wander aimlessly or bend or curve, just like this river. The seventh word is hydrophobia. So hydrophobia means a fear of water. Now the eighth word is diplomats. So diplomats means very thoughtful and sensible people. The ninth word is lait. So lait means a complete set of accessories of a newborn baby. Now the last word is ophthalmologist. So ophthalmologist means one who diagnoses and treats the diseases of eyes. So now we'll be bringing some more sessions like this. So if you like it, do let us know in the comments below. And also share some interesting one-word substitution. So thank you all of you. Have a wonderful day.